Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to insert SIM cards into the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First things first, you would need your SIM card ejector tool that looks just like this over here. This should actually come inside of the box of your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, but if you do not have yours, you can go ahead and look for any tiny pin that is as tiny as this and can actually insert the SIM card ejector hole on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Now, once you have your SIM card ejector tool, you want to grab your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, then turn over to the left hand side, and then you just want to proceed to insert the SIM card ejector tool into the little hole on the SIM card tray of your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. You just want to insert it just like so, and then just press it a little hard until it actually pops out. So just press on it, and once it pops out on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, you're also going to get this notification, but you don't have to worry. Now you just want to use your finger to pull out the SIM card tray from the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Make sure you do it very carefully so that you don't break the SIM card tray. And now we have now been able to remove the SIM card tray. Now you want to proceed to insert your SIM card. So go ahead and get your first SIM card, and then you want to proceed to place it on the SIM card tray with the SIM card facing downward. And then you also want to take notice of the little cut on your SIM card and then the little cut on the SIM card tray as well. So if you look at the SIM card over here, you can see this little cut. You want to make sure it fits the little cut on the SIM card tray as well. So you can see mine actually fits pretty well, and you can literally see that little cut over here. If you want to insert another SIM card, you can go ahead and just grab your second SIM card and then place it towards the ending part of the second compartment of this SIM card tray. So you can literally see that we also have this little cut on the SIM card and then the little cut on the SIM card tray over here. So you want to just place it towards the end of the SIM card tray, facing downwards as well. Now once you're done, you want to just carefully insert the SIM card tray into your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Make sure you do it very carefully so you do not shake. And just like so, I have now been able to insert both SIM cards into my Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Give it about a minute and your two SIM cards should actually start showing on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. You can literally see that. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.